morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share a small story about my life. Okay, तो जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी ना, मुझे बहुत फैंटेसाइज था ट्रैवल करने का, टू सी द वर्ल्ड. आई वांटेड टू ट्रैवल अराउंड, यू नो. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस वांट टू डू दैट इन लाइफ. तो मुझे स्पेशली यूएस और यूके जाने का ना बहुत शौक था. सो माय चाचू यूज्ड टू स्टे इन यूएस एंड ही यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम देयर. सो दैट टाइम इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक यार एक बार ना जाना है, आई वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस द वर्ल्ड. तो यूजुअली उस टाइम पे क्या होता था, इफ आई यूज्ड टू सी माय नोन पीपल ट्रैवलिंग, या तो वो शादी के बाद हनीमून पे ट्रैवल करते थे, और दे यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल फॉर वर्क, और दे यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल विद देयर फैमिली, राइट. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था यार वंस आई विल ग्रो अप और आई विल बी इन माय 20s, मैं भी ट्रैवल करूंगी आफ्टर आई फिनिश माय कॉलेज. एंड वो होता है ना, व्हेन यू लिव विद योर पेरेंट्स एंड यू आर यंगर, यू फील कि जब मैं बड़ी हो जाऊंगी ना तो मैं भी ट्रैवल करूंगी. But unfortunately for me, things didn't happen at 20, because of certain personal, things that were going in my life. I could not really focus on traveling or मतलब thought भी नहीं था. That time it was all about I have to sort out my personal life and professional life, of course, because I wanted to be financially independent, to take care of myself. तो उस टाइम पे ना पूरा ध्यान उस टाइम पे उस चीज़ में था ही नहीं कि ट्रैवल करना है. पूरा ध्यान एक ही चीज़ पे था कि करियर बनाना है, फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना है, लाइफ को सॉर्ट करना है. सर्टेन थिंग्स आई लर्नड ओवर दिस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हिच आई वांटेड टू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट माय 20s हैपन इन माय 35. एक्चुअली आफ्टर 35, you always feel that जल्दी से जल्दी सब कुछ लाइफ में करना है. So one lesson that I learned is that it's okay, you have your own timelines. Things will happen for you eventually when it is your time. So it's not necessary that it has to happen at 20 or 25 or 30 or 35 or 40. It will just happen when it has to happen, right? क्योंकि मैंने till 30 I had not traveled anywhere internationally, and उसके बाद भी I traveled to Malaysia, which was a business trip, of course. My actual travel started after 35. So in that span of time I traveled to South Africa, I went to Vietnam, Baku, Serbia, Mauritius, Singapore, UK. I went to Scotland and London while we were in UK, and of course Dubai is home now, so Dubai, Thailand. So well, I did cover a bit in last 3 to 4 years to make it what I couldn't travel for 15 years. The next thing I learned, while I was traveling or while I travel is that the world is very kind. Human beings are very kind. Wherever you go, any part of the world, one basic thing that you'll see in any person or anybody you meet is kindness. So I believe that the basic of every human being when we are built or when we are born is kindness. Why I'm talking about is because हम लोग ना kindness की बात बहुत कम करते हैं. It's a very rare characteristic that we talk about, but my whole experience says that world is very, very kind. I also learned that, at least for me, that experiences matter more than materialistic things. Now let me make it very clear, I love materialistic things, but my whole point is that if you ask me, I bought a bag and how did I feel about it, maybe I can talk for a minute. But if you ask me how did I feel when I went to Mauritius, in the nature, around so many beautiful things, and just sitting on the beach for the entire day, how did I feel? Maybe I can talk about that for hours and hours and hours. So मुझे लगता है कि experiences इतने important होते हैं. So if I have to spend my money, I rather spend on a great experience than a materialistic thing now in life. The next lesson, or something I would like to talk about is that there are times we start comparing ourselves to people. We see this social media profiles, we see Facebook, we see Instagram, most of us we do that, right? And हम देखते हैं कि अरे यार ये ना मेरा फ्रेंड है या मेरी फैमिली है, वो यहाँ ट्रैवल कर रही है, वहाँ ट्रैवल कर रही है. So for me, actually, honestly speaking, while I was not traveling, a lot of people around me, especially my own family and friends, were traveling everywhere. So I would not say that I never thought about it, but then I realized now that most of the people, they want to travel because they want to tick it. It's like they have gone there, I also want to experience it. trust me, I feel it's not about comparing and then experiencing. It's about deciding where you want to go and why you want to go. Now for me, like a lot of people want to go and party and they want to do this checklist of all the restaurants or all the places that are happening. For me, it's all about just relaxing, taking a time off. You may call it a downtime where I sit down, I spend time with my loved ones or my husband or my friends. I might not go and experience all the best of the places. I might not travel and just see all the tourist places, but definitely at least sit down and create wonderful memories for myself, so that when I'm older in life, I can laugh over it, I can smile over it, and I have moments to sit and, the moment I think about it, I can experience it all over again rather than having a very random memory about it. Yes, one more thing I want to share is that there is no perfect plan, right? I mean, sometimes you'll keep planning, but things will not happen at that time. And one day, suddenly, out of nowhere, magic will happen and things will start happening.
Well, my passport, which didn't have even one stamp, is today full of stamps. Let me tell you, I'm actually on my third passport now. So all I'm trying to say is that one day your passport will also be full of stamps and your time will come. Keep working for it. And actually speaking, I have just begun my travel. There's a long way to go. Abhi to USA जाना है. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. I'll see you next time. Love you all.